In this lesson, we'll discuss how to tune the bass. I'll be using a bow in this lesson, which you'll learn in next lesson, so don't worry. The first step to tuning your bass is to find a tuner. Either an app tuner or a standalone tuner will work fine. Using the tuner, tune your open G string. I've already gotten mine tuned. The next step is to find the tuning harmonics on the instrument. What you're going to do is take your left thumb and put it all the way down into the L of the neck. Placing your first finger directly over top of the thumb and lightly, very lightly pressing the string, you should find this harmonic. Now replace your first finger with your fourth finger. This harmonic on the G string should match the harmonic if you lightly press with your first finger on the D string. Tune the harmonic on the D string until it matches the G string. Moving the hand over a string, fourth finger on the D string, first finger on the A string, you'll have harmonics that should match. And again on the A and the E string. You should be able to match the pitches from the fourth finger and the first finger on strings next to each other. I'll detune one now. So the pitch on the D string is lower than on the G string. I use the peg and I turn it to the left to make the pitch higher. Until the pitches match. Repeat these steps with all the strings and your instrument's in tune.